What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. We got ourselves a few questions about whether or not something can be an even degree function given certain criteria. So let's take a look at option 1 here. 2 pairs of imaginary zeros. That would mean 4 imaginary zeros. And that most definitely could be an even degree function, right? With no other information, it very well could be even. 2 extrema. So like a max and a min. Well, the only way I'm going to get a max and a min is if I go up like that and then back on up, right? So that is a local extrema and another local extrema. There's really no other way to get 2 of them unless the end behaviors are different. So this would end up being an odd degree function. So 2 out of the question here. All right, how about number 3 here? An absolute max or min, an absolute high point or low point. Well, the only way to get that is if I have end behaviors going both up or both down here. I'll show an example. I could have maybe say like a quartic function like this. I've got myself an absolute max there, and then a relative min and a relative max, but I've got an absolute when it's that situation or flipped upside down. Next one, end behaviors where f of x approaches infinity on both sides. So my end behaviors are the same, and if you've been listening in on the last couple there, you might be like, bro, I know what this one is, right? This one was even, and so is this bad boy right here. It is even. Woo! We got 3 evens. And just in case, if you're like, bro, wait, hold on, let me see a picture. Well, if I draw something like, say, even just a simple quadratic here, as I go to the left, as x approaches negative infinity, f of x is approaching positive infinity. As I go to the right, I'm going up as x approaches infinity. F of x approaches positive infinity. It's approaching positive infinity on both sides. That's dope. That's awesome. America freedom. Rock and roll. Costco. River Dog Jenny on the ground. Make sure you follow her. Super cute dog. Deuces dogs.